Hey guys, we're here with ZonaBrush Painting. We are in Cave Creek. Just wanted to show you the project we're doing. It's small, but we are repainting a guest house. We are actually applying aesthetic white. And you can see the guys here, they're painting. This is the first coat. We're also gonna do the bathroom, the doors, and the closet, which is not a big deal. Looks great actually. So we are doing all this. Guys are pretty quick. You can start seeing this is the first coat and still needs another coat. I want to show you what we're gonna do here. If you see, I just put tape. And the reason is, I think it looks kind of bad. And I'm going to show you what we're going to do. What we're going to do is we're going to put caulking on all the windows in the corners and the edges. And the reason is so it can look clean and more straight. And here's an example. Look, right now it's still drying. But look, you guys see that? It's old paint from before. You see all those cracks? You see how it's looking all different? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put tape, and I just began here. Let me show you. We're putting tape and we're gonna do caulking, and we're gonna make that line straight. And I'm gonna show you one that's already finished. Look at the difference. We're gonna clean that little corner there, but I just want you to see the difference. And then some of it, I mean, I can't paint the whole trim, right? Because it's gonna look bad. So some of the old paint is just gonna keep there unless the homeowner wants us. But if not, it's gonna look much better. Hey guys, good morning. We're back here in Desert Highlands. We're doing a casita, or the guest room, or the guest house. We are using emerald paint for this job, and I wanted to show you. That's the emerald paint. And what we did here is this room used to be dark blue and dark brown, and well, they're remodeling, so they did a new bathroom and they want to paint. So the drywall here didn't finish. He's gonna come and do that, and we're gonna come back again and touch up for them. But what I wanted to talk to you guys about this little job, that no job is small or no job is big enough. And we do small jobs and we do big jobs and we do medium jobs. But on this specifically, I wanted to show you guys that with this colors, it may look like a white to you, but it's not. It's just a light color. And what we're doing here is that, well, first, if you have a blue color on the bottom and you're gonna paint like this, a light color, well, what you have to do is you have to prime. You always have to prime first. And the reason is, and a lot of my peers in the industry, well, they miss this, and I'm gonna show you what Alivio's doing right now. He's cleaning there and making sure, right there it has drywall, but I'm telling him to still clean it because the walls are white, drywall is white, and they're gonna think it's us that got paint on it. If you see the outlets there, they're already painted before. That was the color it was. Now what we did is we took them off and we painted underneath them and we put them back, and we did that. Well, because I have no idea what the owner's gonna do. Maybe they're gonna replace them. This, you see that? That's drywall. And what's gonna happen here is right now, we're gonna sand, we're gonna take that down, and we missed a spot there. We're gonna cover that with holes. We're gonna sand it a little bit, and we're gonna paint. But typically in these homes haven't been painted in a long time. And they're old homes, they're probably from the 2000s. And what I wanted to talk to you about this room is that when you're gonna do a room like this, and it has those type of colors and you're gonna go light, we'll always prime first, just to kill the color. And a lot of people like to use prime and paint, but I don't recommend it. Just follow the steps, paint with primer, and let it dry, and then come and paint it. That way, what happens is that it starts fading, right? The paint starts cooling down, the paint starts to fade down, and then it's when you start noticing the color underneath it. And that's why it's important to prime, and then after that, paint. And all this was done by hand. We painted all this by hand. We didn't spray in here. They didn't want us to spray. So there you go.